Okay, here we go. So first off, you start off with some sheet aluminium from a local hardware store, and then I shape it using a vise from my workshop, and then I carefully put some holes into the sheet alley, and you'll find out very soon how it all fits together. So basically the next part is the tripod adapter, which I got from eBay. They're only like a couple of dollars. I'll show you that in a minute. So here's the tripod adapter I got from eBay. I'll find the links and put them into the description so you can buy the same ones. So it all just fits together, and that's where your GoPro goes on. So last year, if you can see on the handlebar head stem, I used the head stem mount using a GoPro pole mount, and that worked quite well. But I found that the sunlight would catch my power meter, and I couldn't really read the power anyway. I basically mounted it there because I wanted to read the power meter so you could see the power as I was riding along, but it didn't quite work out. And you'll see in the clip here what I mean. So you can see there, sometimes you can read the power, and you go through some trees, can't really read it very well, and it catches the sunlight. It's just it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. Plus you're sort of blocking the view of the riders there, so I wanted to mount underneath this year. So because I had an SRM, with a Garmin it's easy, you can just buy a mount and it's got like a GoPro mount on it already. So I'll take the SRM off and then you'll be able to see my mount. So that's the finished mount. The one I showed you earlier is just one that I played around with. Didn't get the holes quite right. So second attempt, I got it right. Alright, so I'll just show you how it all fits together. So basically, you bend it all up, put the holes in, you got a hole there for the tripod mount, and if you can see there, you can see where it mounts. So I'm basically putting it between the front plate and the back plate. So you got to be careful that you've got enough room. It fits quite well, like with my Adaptor bars and stem. So you can see what I'm doing there. Basically, you've got it. It basically comes down to measurement, and also you've got the clearance there. See, there's very, very small clearance between the hole and the edge. And then what I did is I just painted it and so forth. Just used a hex bolt to secure it, and that's how it works basically. And you just use the GoPro thumb screw, and it works quite well. It's very easy to take on and off. So this is the footage you get with the under handlebar mount. It's really good, really good. I just used a wide setting, 4K 60 on the Hero 6, and you see it's very professional looking. Yeah, light's turning green. Let's have a look at what it's like when it's moving. This is the Astana team. I went for a ride earlier in the week with them. I'm in a huge gear. I actually stuffed my back up, and because I was mucking around with the GoPro and I didn't shift down, then I had to sprint up to them in like a massive gear. I think I was using a 5314 or something. Anyway, so I get on the back of them and we just go for a bit of a cruise. Went down to Henley with the Astana boys. So that's basically how you do it. So there we go. No worries, enjoy.